Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo Ideapad 120S-14A IAP model. The model name is 81A5. Those information can be found on the bottom of the laptop on the sticker, which will say right over there, the model name 81A5 Ideapad 120S-14 IAP. And in this video, I'm gonna go over a few stuff, but one thing to get clear, people like buy these laptops a lot and bring it to the shop and they're asking us to upgrade the RAM, but I keep telling them that it's not upgradable, and they keep insisting that they should be because the sales guy told them that it's upgradable. And I'm gonna open it up and show you guys why it's not upgradable. Because pretty much this is not a laptop, it's a tablet with a big screen and a keyboard. And everything else in there is soldered on the board. If you check, I made a video how to check the maximum capacity of the RAM for your laptop. You can check that video, and if you do the process, it will tell you can go up to 8 gig on this laptop. Pretty much it doesn't tell you on this laptop, it tells you based on the motherboard and based on the CPU. But the design on the motherboard affects a lot. So pretty much let's go ahead and open it up and see what's underneath. I'm going to be using an UFIXTEK screwdriver set. We're going to be using a torque number 5, which should be right over here. And we're going to remove all the screws on the bottom cover here. All the screws should be the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Go ahead and remove all the screws. Also, if you guys like my videos, if my video helping you guys out to understand, to do your own upgrade or servicing, you can click that like and support the channel by subscribing. Alright, once you remove all the screws, all you need to do is grab yourself an opening tool. In this case, I'm going to be using a guitar pick, a metallic guitar pick, and we're going to stick it between the top and the bottom cover right there. And all you need to do is just twist it around, just like that. Bring it over on the front, do the side, all the way to the back corner. Just wiggle around, go all around. Do the left and right side. And there we go. You can remove the bottom chassis, bottom cover. Alright, right here you're going to see the whole tiny motherboard with the Wi-Fi board. And there's nothing else in here. And the RAM, there's no space for the RAM DIMM right in here. The RAM DIMMs are coming in this shape, so I don't see where you can fit a RAM DIMM right here. So we're going to remove the heat spreader right here for the CPU, but before we're doing that, we're going to disconnect the battery by pulling these cables back straight. We're going to use a Phillips number 0, and we're going to remove the black screws all around the heatsink and the 3 screws in the middle. There's 3 of them right there, and 3 screws in the middle. There's a hidden screw under the white paper label right there. Remove that too. Now we're gonna go ahead and lift up the heatsink. And down here we can see the whole RAM chip that is soldered on the board. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 RAM space, but there's only 2 RAM chips soldered on the board. You can take your laptop to an IT shop, to a technician, and ask them to solder on the board a RAM module. They have to find the same exact module right in here. There's a specification on here, and they can do something called a reballing. They have to remove the whole motherboard, and they have to solder a new chip right on top of this one. There's nothing that you can do at home. It has to be on a technical component level. So, but physically, you cannot just remove a RAM and put it on top, because they come soldered on the board. If you got the 2 gig version, which is this is a 2 gig version, you get 2 gig. If you have the 4 gig or 8 gig version, you will probably have more RAM. There's a space for 2 gig, 4 gig in here, and there's a space for 4 more gig on the other side to be soldered on the board. Again, for demonstration, I opened this one for you guys, so you guys get an idea before you buy the laptop. So let's put it back together. Put the heat spreader right over. Put the 3 screw in the middle. Right after that, you want to put the cable for the battery straight inward, tuck down the cable's right there, and grab the bottom cover, bring it over, and just squeeze really hard on the corners. Make sure you hit those clicks in the front, and the last thing would be to putting down the bottom screws. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys to understand why you can't upgrade the RAM. If you guys want to support the channel, click that like and subscribe on. We appreciate it. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll hope to see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the screws on the bottom.